Desert Palisades Residence, a modern architectural masterpiece that blends design excellence with the desert landscape of Palm Springs, California. Designed by Woods Dangaran in 2021, this house perfectly embodies desert modernism by harmonizing aesthetics and functionality with its natural surroundings. Palm Springs is renowned for its exotic landscape, filled with massive boulders and natural arroyos. The Desert Palisades Residence is situated in the last hillside enclave of Palm Springs, recently opened for development. This location not only offers breathtaking views of the La Quinta Valley, but also serves as the primary inspiration for the home's design. The house is carefully elevated to protect the original terrain, resting 5 feet below street level to preserve natural drainage and make use of the sloping land for direct garage access. The existing boulders not only add aesthetic value but also act as a privacy buffer from the main road, creating a serene ambience and a sense of discovery as the house suddenly emerges into view. This residence celebrates the core principles of classic desert modernism: strong horizontal lines, the use of natural materials, expansive glazing, and a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The structure comprises 2 rectangular volumes connected by a glass bridge. The west wing houses the entryway, guest bedroom, and garage. This volume anchors the structure of the home. The east wing serves as the main living area, featuring the primary suite, 2 additional bedrooms, and a spacious great room with 30-foot glass walls on both sides. The glass bridge that connects the 2 wings creates a sense of tranquility upon entry and separates the home into 2 internal courtyards filled with native desert plants. The design offers a balanced blend of open communal spaces and intimate private areas. The great room transitions effortlessly to an outdoor deck through large sliding glass doors. Here, you'll find a pool and spa, perfect for relaxing under the desert sky, an outdoor dining area, ideal for entertaining guests, a lounge and fireplace, creating a cozy ambience for intimate evenings. The internal courtyards, shaded by trellises, filter soft, natural light while providing visual connections to the surrounding desert landscape. These spaces enhance the balance between social interaction and solitude, allowing residents to fully enjoy their environment. The materials used for this home were chosen to seamlessly blend with the surrounding landscape. The exterior features earth-toned plaster and textured concrete masonry units that echo the colors of the sand and nearby mountains. The 12-foot roof overhangs are wrapped in brass panels that will naturally patina over time, adding character to the home. Inside, teak wood and travertine are precisely detailed, while the interior palette draws inspiration from the desert. Sage greens, soft pinks, and sandy browns seamlessly integrate with the natural surroundings. The wooden furniture, including a custom oak dining table, walnut side tables, and teak outdoor dining table, adds warmth to the interiors. Decorative accents such as the custom green upholstered bed in the primary suite, soft pink bedding, and climate-appropriate indoor plants bring vitality to the home. Desert Palisades Residence was designed with its natural context in mind. By utilizing local materials, a neutral color palette, and a layout that responds to the landscape, the house allows its residents to fully embrace the beauty of the desert. This home is a stunning example of elegant desert modernism, offering both comfort and a deep connection to its environment. This home is a perfect embodiment of the harmonious relationship between architecture, nature, and modern living. Every detail, from material selection to spatial planning, is crafted to complement the beauty of Palm Springs while providing unmatched comfort and style for its inhabitants. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Block 7 channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more inspiring home tours. See you in the next episode.